When it's time to restock the first aid kits and the long-term aid kits, I like to use the DynaDerm Hydrocolloid foam bandages. There's 5 of them in here. These are 4x4. You can get them in multi-packs. You can buy single packs. These are the hydrocolloid foam is a moist environment. If you have a mild wound that you need a dressing, that you need to safeguard, like a burn or an abrasion or a laceration or a cut, you want to keep things out of that wound, but you also want to keep it moist and give it a good environment for healing. That's where these hydrocolloid foam bandages fit in. So you can cut them down. These are 4x4, which is a great size for covering all the skin around the area by leaving the wound itself from any kind of contact. But if you have something really small, you can cut these down. So, hope this helps. The DynaDerm Hydrocolloid Foam, great idea for restocking long-term first aid kits.